Catch me up, catch me on the up. Catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up.
Kaya konsepsyon, bukal ba sa iyong loob ang iyong pagparito upang makaisang dibdib si Guillermo na iyong pakamamahalin at paglilingkuran habang buhay?
Opo, par. Opo, par.
So catch me up, yeah, yeah, you know what's up, front up, back to the front, yeah, you know what we want, yeah, you know what we want, 'cause we up now, and we don't wanna come down. Now we up, 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 yeah. Catch me in the breeze, catch me up the speed, yeah. Catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up. Catch me on the tram, catch me if you can, catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up. We on the
Mahilig sa bata.
right now.
Jaime, mataba. Emmanuel, ang aking worst man.
Now I'm like, that's what's up right now, yeah. Hey, it's going up like a trampoline. Cooling off in the shade, it's a canopy. Riding next to the wave like a manatee. Check out the scenery, now run with me. 'Cause we up now, and we don't wanna
Hawak ko ang brief. Hawak ko ang brief. Hawak ko.
Now we up, yeah. Catch me in the breeze, catch me up the speed, yeah. Catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up. Catch me on the tram, catch me if you can, catch me up, catch me up, catch me on the up. Now we up, now we up, now we up, now we up, now we up,
Hi, Beb. Finally, the long wait to our wedding day is magically happening right now. I have seen you grow as a person, a man with principle, conviction, a man with a word, and more than that, a man full of dreams and determination.
It's been 13 years of us being together, which eventually lead us to this exact moment. Ours is not like some fantasy world. We don't have the story of a brave and strong hero na niligtas ang isang napakabait at napakagandang prinsesa in a castle far away.
Ang pagsasama ninyo, Gio at Jeng, ay sakramento. Isang misteryo ng pag-ibig ng Diyos sa bawat isa sa inyo. Ang nakikita namin sa inyo ay love. Nakaka-inlove kayong pagmasdan. The mystery of long-lasting marriage is love and sacrifice.
Hi, Beb! For 13 years, every second with you has been worth it. This watch can't measure how much I love you. But I hope it reminds you that my time, my heart, and my forever are yours. I can't wait to spend all my tomorrows with you. I love you. Hi, Beb! Thank you sa gift mo. First time ko magkakanta, so thank you talaga.
Mga gunita na laging naisip,
Very thankful ako sa kay Erich dahil naging mabait siyang kapatid. Comedy rin. Masaya sa pamilya, bunso, makulit, mabait.
Be a responsible husband. Priority niya lagi yung pamilya.
Eh, walang isang, isang lalaki ba? Be responsible.
sumisibing ang buwan at mga bituin na para ba sumasang-ayon sa atin ang kalawakan.
This one is for you because you deserve it. You have been a good and loyal partner. Can't wait to see you start our new chapter. I love you so much.
Para naman kaya kinadagan din sa lingon niya sa paraiso.
We've been together for so long. Nagsimula din tayo sa wala. At alam ko na may mga panahon na mahirap, but we made it through together. From the start, I knew this is where I was supposed to be. So I promise you this, I will be your partner through everything. I know I'm not perfect, but I promise to always strive to be better for you, for us.
Even after all the ups and downs, the fights, the miscommunications, and misunderstanding, you stayed. You chose me.
I just woke up from a dream where you and I had to say.
For richer or for poorer, love each other. In sickness and in health, do not leave the one you love. In good times or in bad, be with each other.
Follow. Nobody's promised tomorrow, so I'ma love you every night like it's the last night, like it's the last night. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. If the party was over and I wanna hold you just for a while and die with a smile. If the
Thank you kay Mama dahil very supportive. Tsaka kay Papa, without them, I will never be who I am today. You see, all these years, through ups and downs, mahirap ang buhay dati pero napalaki niyo akong maayos, may pangarap. At ngayon, unti-unting natutupad yung pangarap natin. I hope you stay healthy so we can celebrate more as we win, as we move forward. Thank you kay Papa dahil si Papa yung talagang nagtaguyod sa pamilya namin. Thank you sa'yo pa. Never mo kaming iniwan kahit naging mahirap buhay natin dati. Pero you stayed. Dahil doon, ikaw yung naging example ko para maging mabuting asawa at mabuting tatay din. Nabuti na lang ikaw naging papa ko. Maganda yung maging ehemplo ko. Thank you, Nak! Thank you!
world was ending, I wanna be next to you.
At sa bawat taon na darating, mas lalo kitang mamahalin. I vow to never give up on us when we are miles apart because no distance is too far when it comes to love. Kahit malayo tayo. I will always find a way to make you feel loved and special.
With a smile. If the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you.
Anumang bagyo, anumang pagsubok, anumang hirap ang haharapin ninyo ng magkasama, lagi nyo sanang balikan ang simula ng lahat, ang Diyos. Na siyang unang nagmahal sa inyo, pinagtagpo kayo at pinili upang magsama habang buhay.
And I promise to love you with the same patience that distance taught us, with the same strength that waiting gave us, and with the same hope that carries us when we feel weak.
I, Guillermo Velasquez de la Merced III, ako bilang Gio, I promise that I will bring you no shame, no disrespect, and no misgivings. I promise that I will provide for you, take care of you, and protect you to the best of my capabilities.
With a smile. If the world was if the world was ending, I'd wanna be next to you. be next to you.